It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. Oseo.za, TS Galaxy 3, Mamelodi Sundowns 2 in the Betway Premiership. Final day for Mamelodi Sundowns in the league. Orlando Pirates needs one win in 2 matches to lift the Betway Premiership for the first time in 14 years. They will get a first chance to do that this weekend against Durban City. If they fail to win that game, they'll have a second chance next week against Orbit College. It's done and dusted for Sundowns. They now look forward to the CAF Champions League final, which will be on Sunday, the CAF Champions League final. For TS Galaxy as well, they've maybe clarified their position in terms of relegation and promotion. Maybe these 3 points secure them their status for next year. Perhaps that's why there were celebrations. Junior Kanye, our analyst, what did you think of the game, sir?
Yeah, nkululeko kunjani mfethu?
Sure.
Ngibulisa Justice.
Just,
Ngibulisa Benedict.
Mr. So-and-so.
Ngibulisa Ngosatho. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting in one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, it was like ibengathi Nedbank Cup final le. Okanye mhlambe Calling Black Label final or MTN final. I think people came in numbers, and I'm fans la kule ground bekoma fans Orlando Pirates. You know, West Sundowns. It's like Beglali, Orlando Pirates and Sundowns.
Sure.
Going to the game, I think TS Galaxy bebane they were highly motivated compared to Sundowns players. First 30 minutes, the body language. They double up effort, each player. I think bengathi kunento babathembise yona. Bona they had nothing to lose. Yes, I think they were safe. No ngabe badliwe kule game. I don't think they were going to be relegated. But abantu bebane pressure kakhulu Sundowns. So TS Galaxy coming to the game. Sundowns idlala high line. Idlala nga 2 center back, which is they are very suspicious. Abantu abayi-2, I don't think badlala high line. Abana speed to Krenti Kekana no Johannes. They play Mdunyelwa, very good player, but the match fitness. How long angadlala Mdunyelwa? Bengan understanding at the back. 3 players, question mark. Asikhulume ngomdunyelwa. Grant Kekana, not much. I don't think Grant Bega right came in namhla. I love Grant, is one of the best defender for me in South Africa. But today's game, sometimes mangabi link anayo. If there's no understanding between the two of you, you become exposed. Both of them, I think they were exposed by TX Galaxy, Speed TX Galaxy. Well done to this boy Mahlambi. Well done to George. Well done to Victor Litswalo. I think it's Speed Sabo Serenzile. They play transition football. Well done to Mvelas. Well done to Matuna. Well done to Mbunjana. They did very well. Well done to this boy Mutlong at the back. For me, I think man of the match, Lomfan Mutlong Amniga Nae. He did very well, very solid, and very professional performance from him as well. TS Galaxy, I think Bebabambi Sundowns ne break. Speed 1v1 Lomfana Lupagaman Mahlambi was a problem. Kumtunyelwa always come late, exposing a side laga left laga mdiba. TS Galaxy always to George. Bekaqala ngene phakathi go wide umdiba makahamba badlala kuye njengale goal leli goal number 2 you can see umdiba was not his ku position yakhe but umdiba udlalile position play. I think it did very well today in terms of defending. Obviously Sundowns, they were chasing goals, but Sundowns I think they were terrible. 2 games, Celtics another game, they terrible at the back.
Yeah.
Very, very terrible. Honestly, it's disappointing. I mean, one of the best team in South Africa, in Africa as a whole. But defense, I think Ukibidu Balimazile and Kipidu and Krenkeka and Mhlame that pairing, because Angsishong Alumfanundamani, Unama mistake, I mean, not to say he's a bad player, lot of mistake, but it's same Kulmanje at the back they were exposed today. But Lali Highline, Abana Speed, goalkeeper Ronan Williams, I think when West performance yake now, Ronan. I don't think Naming doubt and Jugamba no Ronan. If Nambing we coach, let me put it that way. Because of one same good Nambena go Afcon, go World Cup. But because of is going to go finally Champions League. It's been number 1, go build up yonke qualifying AFCON, qualifying for World Cup. Uzohamba na Ronwen. But to tell the truth, worst performance from Ronwen and Jeguzaga performance akaiko right. No, I think it did very well. One of the best talent in South Africa bringing South Africa. International player maybe so. It decide games. It did very well. Mkwena played very well. But Meles Kulmenje Ivar, I think TS Galaxy mainly correct 4 goals here because
Yeah, Zindonga had a lot of opportunities in the second half.
2 goals. Clear. I mean, labantu badlala nge-speed. Same thing lebe bayenza first half, they did exactly that. And Sundowns understand the high line. Mandlali high line bazokubamba. Because of bias, they can't go 1v1. That's why badlali high line. Ukuthi goalkeeper be alert. But uRonwen, I don't think there's communication between him, Johannes, no Grant. Very disappointing. Mabadlali high line uRonwen nauma sort of go 6 yard and akana speed naye and badlala kunama good passer la as ngisho well done to this guy uMaduna namhlanje well done to Mbunjani, they did very well. Velas did very well as well. Senkhulumana nge-game management, they did very well. So they deserve to win this game. Bekumele bayikore 4 goals, 5 goals, honestly. Because Sundowns says they created chances, but they come ngama-crosses nje masiba nevar. Nyazi Sundowns they pass, master passing game. Labantu bamakha ama-pockets, ii-pace ze-Sundowns. It takes colors, they know how to play against Sundowns. Let me be honest with you.
Yeah, and they knocked them out in the Nedbank Cup.
Yeah, they know how to, because Bavala they play some pocket. They playing it. They are fittest team, one of the fittest team. Because watching them, Mama came in about Lana. Abana quality, honestly. Playing against Amazulu, playing against Abu Devon City, they are not this way. Today they are highly motivated. I think they are fit by Mastara. Is set up the Sundowns. How Sundowns play, Bavala they plays my pockets become difficult. Sundowns they are forced to go wide now to cross. And well done to Lino. I think Sundowns have got each other. Klamfana, if we got in a season, so but angeka last South Africa. I don't think one of the best. It reminds me of Romario, the Brazilian. Ayala's ball. I mean, Ayala's. Respect to Sundowns, it's very difficult to point to Munto. So, but I will point. I put Ayala's. I think if we got in a season, it's Sundowns because we're not cool. But Sundowns, I think for me. It's disappointing. Once they lose the game psychologically, I mean, Pirates now they are very highly motivated. They've got 2 games. I don't think they will lose 2 games. It's going to be difficult, mountain to climb. So Sundowns, truly speaking, today's game they deserve to lose. That's for me, because how many chances the Chiefs Galaxy were created. Sundowns they were not themselves in terms of fluidity. But 2 games, another game is Celtics. They were rushing. Sundowns they were rushing. I think Lento Yamakodi Balimazile Pirates. Good Pirates they've been scoring goals. Now they want are the same. But Sundowns has it department. They build up. They go as a team. They defend as a team. Now, game in the Celtics, attacker and midfielders defense stays. Now they get exposed. I'm a defender. It came same thing like today. So well done to Bennett Parker. Team they were motivated. They play with speed. Sundowns they couldn't cope with speed. They look fitter. But Sundowns obvious. Or anything they came in Champions League. I think the couple Champions League. The coach players. Honestly speaking, first half the body language, how they started taking about game, first 30 minutes. The body language, reacted. Every time they score, react. 2 goals, react. And it's disappointing. Nangale game Celtics, they relax. They score and relax. That's why I need the Champions League. But it's sometimes when you play open game, I'm a team they need to learn. If you play, una chance to win a game. But I'm a team they're scared. Now they become Baba this thing with the slightly low block. But Iboni see the Celtics is a night checks Galaxy Chile. But one of the Sundowns make no mistake about they respective with they lost. They are the best team. That's for me. And they lost the game today, but they deserve to lose the game. I need to be honest.
Are they going to be worried about the Champions League? Because their defense looks very worrying.
Yeah, honestly, pound to pound, I'm going to match in play. But truly speaking, I worried the goalkeeper, the defense. It's worrying. I mean, but when nobody experienced team, they can change psychological. But true, it can't worry. I'm going to worry or consider my goal I7 at 2 games. A big team like them. I mean, they're going to Champions League final. Axi Cup, Nyana, Lady Kapel Krot. So they are worried true. And Nenyi the Waraga Kulu goalkeeping department. I don't know, honestly. Nyamtando Runen is done well now. But do not this thing with me now. Nobody can eliminate me. So Leonto Lepindi Limazo Runen. Bekumele Benjamin came in and Jangalia and Mshaba Mutkangano Onyanga Vim. Because now I Namakola Mkora is very disappointing Runen. So defense ake west now. And Abaga Bishongali pairing a centre back.
Yeah, that's where I was going as well, is that it's a final on Sunday, and I don't think Cardoso knows who is going to play 2 centre backs. He knows he's going to play Kekana, but Kekana with Ndamane or Kekana with Keegan Johannes or Kekana with someone else? Because it looks bad.
Yeah, honestly, it's look bad. Ibukeka bad. And Undamane not to say what they beat him between Mabamba Dlala no this guy Ukraine Kekana. And Undamane just that uyenza ama giveaway is too slow, man. It doesn't have a space. And a Champions League, mangabe bazoku-expose la kuphethe Premiership lapha ngeke babe nesikhathi sakho. They will harass you, they are very aggressive. I mean, they are very physical. They jump with you. Bazokubamba ngama-elbow bakupushe. Now Undamane must be physical, psychological. Kumele kubuntwana. Ngiyazi ukuthi is 1920 if not mistaken 21. Undamane must just if he must play safe. Leyo kudlala simple adlale ngathi midfield is not going to help. So ucoach into engiyibhekile uzodlala ngayo Ndamane no Green Kekana, but Ndamane ngale pace mabadlala high line is going to be i-Sundowns mina ngisasho le ba capable ukuwina ama games. They need to speak with the goalkeeper. Number one, goal coach mele abe ne-1-on-1 no goalkeeper Runen. Mele alungise ingqondo yakho Runen. Also mele alungise two centre back. Mara ngiyacabanga udlala ngoNdamane mina njengoba ngisho no Green Kekana.
All right. The picture of the league. Sundowns, they've done everything they can. Isandla Sabo has nothing to do with the league. 30 matches, they're done. Pirates in 2 matches, they need 1 win. What's your thought?
I know. I have to admit, and I said Sundowns will win the league. Honestly, I've been consistent saying that. But if I can be honest, Pirates will win the league. Kumele ngibe nevar because Sundowns ngale game yanamhlanje nje is done. Kumele sibe realistic yabo because Pirates will be motivated. They can't lose 2 games, especially going to Orlando this week. So Durban City, yes, number 6, 7, 8 corner. I think we're top 8.
Yeah.
But they don't have a quality to beat Sundowns. Even if Sundowns, I mean to say Pirates, even if one game they can draw, I don't think go beat. Ngizwile ngathi game eDobsonville. I heard ngeruma nje kancane. It might go ukuthi eDobsonville. It's sort of home ground Orlando Pirates. Kuyoba sold out because it's lula Orlando ama neighbor neDobsonville. People will come in numbers. So I'm not too sure ukuthi bazoyimela lonto le. So one game I think Pirates will win nje. Nangayo le Durban City. I think Pirates going to win the game Saturday and the league will be done. So I Sundowns will win and now they must focus on Champions League. And he must win it. Mikel Cardoso. He has done well. Mele ngamcamela manga uqale kabi Betway Premiership. Mina I'll be honest and open to him. Uqale kabi Betway Premiership but wa recover umchita. It's just that unfortunately schedule sakhe naso honestly speaking as a coach ngiphinde ngimzwele mara there's nothing that he could do and his players they're supposed to own ama fixtures wabo. And nabo baba committee ama game and they are themselves to blame. And ngoba kunamama game bengamelanga bawadraw njengale game eStellenbosch disappointing, le game eKaizer Chiefs disappointing, but ureferee lapha njengoba ngisho udlala indima enkulu. Kodwa we don't have excuse. Pirates, I think they played very well this season. Ikipola it's a game of opinion, but Pirates they're going to win it because Sundowns after dropping the game, that's done.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. Sundowns are playing a final on Sunday. That defense, I think the next 4 days, the technical team, Sundowns fans, they will know that they have a serious problem with the defense because you consider against Sesiwelele who are number 12 or 13 or number 11. You consider against the TS Galaxy who are also number 12, 13 or 11, and you are playing an African giant AS FAR. So if the teams that are in the bottom 10 in South Africa can score 7 goals against your defense in 2 matches, it means there's something that needs to be fixed. For Orlando Pirates, for the picture of the log, it means 1 more win and you win the title for the first time in 14 years. It is Get Times. We're suspecting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.